volunteer. We, the students of class 2nd C and 2nd D, are here to present a special assembly on the topic sharing and caring. So let us start with the prayer song. All of you please join your hands and close your eyes.